Okay, today we're going to learn how to factor perfect square trinomial. So if you can recall, here is the model. When a plus b squared, that is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Take note, the first term is a perfect square and the last term is a perfect square. Now, like this, x squared is a perfect square and 4 is a perfect square. By the way, what is a perfect square number? An example of a perfect square number is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. Okay? 1 is 1 times 1, 4 is 2 times 2, 9 is 3 times 3, 16 is 4 times 4, 25 is 5 times 5, so on and so forth. So, in this case, since the first term is square, perfect square, the last term is perfect square, we are going to check if the middle term satisfies the 2ab here. Okay? Now, if we try to evaluate, the first term is a squared, right? Must be a squared. So this is 1, right? 1x squared or 1 times x squared is the same as x squared. So that will be 1 squared. How about the last term? The last term is 4. So last term is b squared, right? So that will be 2 squared. Therefore, a is 1, b is 2. Look at that one, b squared, so 2 squared, so b is 2. A squared, so that is 1 squared, so a is 1. So the middle term, okay, first, the middle term must be 2ab, 2ab. So we have 2, okay, times a is 1, times b is 2. 2 times 1 times 2 is 4. So therefore, the middle term is 4. Then we can say that x squared plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, the factor of x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to a plus b. A plus b. So that is x plus 2 squared. X plus 2 squared. Number 2. Number 2, we have m squared minus 10m plus 25. Take note, first term is m squared, a perfect square number by m times m. 25 is a perfect square number by 5 times 5. Let us check the middle term. The first term is a squared, so that will be m, right? 1m or m squared. The last term is p squared. That will be 25, that will be 5 squared because 5 times 5 is 25. Let us check the middle term. The middle term must be 2ab. 2, a is m, b is 5. So therefore, the middle term is 2 times 5 is 10. So that is 10m. That is negative, right? Negative 2ab because the middle term is negative. So we expect negative 2ab. So negative 2ab, that will be negative 2 times 5 is negative 10m. That satisfies our middle term. Therefore, this equation of this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, the final answer for this is equal to, okay, m minus 5. A minus b squared. So this is the answer for m squared minus 10m plus 25. How about number 3? 4x squared is a perfect square. 49 is a perfect square. 4x squared, if we're going to solve for the first term, that will be a squared. So 4x squared is 2x squared, right? Last term is b squared. So the 49 is 7 squared. 7 times 7 is 49. The middle term is, all are positive, so must be positive 2ab, the middle term. So we have 2, a is 2x, b is 7. Therefore 2 times 2, 4 times 7 is 28. So 28x. So the middle term is 28x. Therefore we can say that this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. So we can solve it directly. So we have a 2x plus b 7, then squared. A plus b squared. So this is the factor of 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. How about number 4? Again, check for the first term. First term is 4x squared, so that will be a squared. So we have 2x squared. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. The last term is 9, so b squared. That will be 3 squared, right? The middle term, since all are positive, so we'll make use of positive 2ab for middle term. 2ab, so that will be 2 times a is 2x, right? Times b is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. So we have 12x. Since it satisfies the middle term, therefore we can say that this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. So since this is perfect square trinomial, we'll make use of this. So we have a is 2x plus b is 3, then squared. So this is now the factor of 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. I hope you learned something about factoring quadratic trinomial.